Hello everyone, today we'll be learning Bill Withers' Ain't No Sunshine. For reference, here's middle C. We'll be playing the song in the key of A minor. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to do the chorus section in 3 variations. Here's a preview of the verse and chorus section. The blue fonts will be the left hand, the red fonts will be the right hand. Let's cover the verse section. The first chord is A minor 7. On the left, we have A. On the right, we have G, C, and E. A minor 7. The second chord is E minor 7. On the left, we have E, and on the right, we have G, B, and D. The third chord is a G major. On the left, we have G, and on the right, we have G, B, and D. And then we'll return back to A minor 7. This brings us to our chorus section. We have D minor 7. On the left, we have D, and on the right, we have A, C, and F. Next, we'll keep the same finger position, move up, and we have E minor 7. On the left, we have E. On the right, we have B, D, and G. Next, we have F major 7. On the left hand, we have F octaves, and on the right, we have C, E, and A. Then, we'll go back to E minor 7. And back to A minor 7. Let's try that section again. Now let's try to jazz this up. Now from F major 7, we'll add this new chord. On the left, we have E octaves, and on the right, we have A, D, E flat, and G. And back to A minor 7. Let's try that again. Now this will be the third variation. This chord is the chord that we had learned earlier. Keeping the same finger shape, we'll move up and play D, G, A flat, and C on the right hand. Let's try that again. This is the first variation. This is the second variation. And this is the third variation.